Joe! Joe! We need to fix the hose. The hose has water, and we need water to fight fire.
Ah, water? My second delivery. Right here. Water.
That's not enough.
Look at this.
Because that pumps lots and lots of water.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Joe, you're all wet.
Yes.
You need a new uniform.
Yes.
Joe, Cian, come back. Deliveries.
What?
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Bye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
We still have to wash on the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes. Wait here.
A bucket and a sponge.
Oh.
Too small?
Yeah, I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
have a delivery for you. Wait here. A trolley.
That's too small.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow!
Now I'm thirsty. Where can I find some milk?
Oh, it's there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go a little bit faster. Oh, Biscuit, you looking on my way. We found milk.
Here is the milk.
Can I take a look at your knee?
Yes.
Wait. I have no bandages.
I have bandages for you. Sebastian, will you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. Now, oh, nice and tight. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
While you're here, Joe, can I listen to your heart?
Yes.
You have no stethoscope.
Oh, yes. I lost one. I ordered a new one. Dizzy Deliveries will come today.
Wait. I have a delivery for you.
I'll get it. Your leg is still sore.
Thank you.
Wait here.
Okay.
I found this one. But it's a toy.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day.
Good boy, thanks a million. That's great. Now, we do that was fantastic. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Where could the clue be? It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure. A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you. Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait here. Ice cream! Have some ice cream.